Hey Gemini, getting ready to do your general reading for the month of October. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, please note this is a general reading, may or may not resonate with everyone. Gemini, okay. What's happening, guys? Heavy, moving on energies, not looking at what the universe is offering you and looking at something that is gone. Why? What's wrong? Have I think you've been through a separation. Okay. Think you've been through a separation, which is sad. You have walked out, but things are looking good for you. I feel you guys have been waiting for a while, healing, trying to rejuvenate on your own, trying to pay attention to your own self, to your own uh, well being, which is a very good thing, Gemini. Keep it up. Yep, you have definitely been waiting for something. Something that has left you feeling unworthy. Something that has left you feeling lonely and not good enough. But that energy is leaving you, Gemini. Don't worry. That energy is leaving you. Were you in a connection with an air sign just like you, another Gemini, or perhaps a Libra or an Aquarius? A water sign? Could be a water sign. Or a fire sign, probably. Yep. Card at the bottom of the deck is Ace of Wands. After a period of rejuvenation and relaxation and trying to, heal yourself, you will find that somebody is trying to offer you a good connection. Could be a person who wants you to follow your dreams, follow your passions, and you have been neglecting it. You've been chasing things that haven't really served you and neglected things that are your true calling. But now you walked out of that energy, and I feel you'll be chasing your passion, you'll be chasing your dreams, Gemini. This came up, right? Oh, yep. You are going through some kind of spiritual awakening, guys. You were stuck. You felt something ended. But which has, I think, something has ended. I definitely see that. And I've seen that you have burnt the bridges. You're not going to go back. Could be a temporary break that you've taken either from work or from this connection or from a situation in your life where you don't want to indulge in people or relationships, and you just let it be for some time and you took time off. But now you're ready to be back in the game again, Gemini. I see you following your passions. I see you uh, trying to, get a hold of your life after this energy of feeling down and out. You're manifesting something great. You're manifesting something that is fulfilling when it comes to your mental, emotional, even physical well being. Because I see the Sun card here, I see the Magician, I see such beautiful cards for you, Gemini, and I'm so happy. Yep, you feel this power, you feel this, empowerment. You feel in control. You feel as if you have the authority to change things in your life and make them better for you, Gemini. And rest assured, it's going to turn out to be really beautiful. You might be, you might be attracted to some kind of spirituality. You might want to meditate a little more, which is a good thing. It's a good habit to cultivate. You've got two kings. Are there two people you're dealing with? Perhaps this is the person you want to manifest, this King of Pentacles, who is mature, who is stable, who not only gives you emotional security but also financial security, who you don't have to pretend with, somebody who is the yin to your yang. You've definitely moved on from something. Moved on, moved away. Perhaps you're moving away to another city, country, new house, new office. What else? What else can I tell Gemini, guys? Yes, you had a lot of struggle in the past from which you moved on, and now you find stability. You will find stability. October is a month of culmination. It's also, I feel that October is actually after January. October is the one that is the beginning because it's 10, and 10 is a whole number. Also, it means one. So I feel you are reborn in October. And something else is also reborn with you. A wish has been manifested. You're manifesting something beautiful. Could be an Aquarius person that you are going to be dealing with, perhaps for a business venture. You might get a proposal, or you might propose to somebody, and it will be a yes for you. So go ahead. Yep, it's a good sign that the moon is reversed. If it wasn't, then I would have warned you against this person, but I don't see anything wrong. I think somebody is going to be coming towards you with an offer, a business offer, a new job, turning your passion to your profession, an energy of positive change after feeling trapped in your situations, an energy of love after struggle is what I'm getting. Times are turning in your favor, guys. Gemini, I see good things for you. Happy surprise. Wow. These two also came. If you want me to read them, I think I'll just let you know. One says healer. You have the power to help and heal others. The other one says family culture. Learn more about your family stories and history. Perhaps when you'll be getting a proposal, you may want to know a little more about the family that you're getting married into. Probably this card is for that. Or they would want to know more about your family. Make a wish, guys. You've got the star card, you've got the magician, you've got to make a wish. This is a magical moment, Gemini. Make a wish and enjoy its manifestations. I'm so happy for you, Gemini. This is beautiful. An unforeseen windfall of new abundance comes to you now. Wow. Gemini, I see beautiful things for you. Oopsies. Your commitment is being tested. Yeah, I think it was being tested actually, and that energy is now moving away. It's time to take action, make a wish, manifest your stuff, guys. Confidence. Be confident about what you want, okay? And it will come to you. It will come to you. Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. You guys are going to be on cloud 9 in the 10th month. Guys, if you need help from other people, take it. Sometimes, as I keep mentioning in my other readings as well, that's your higher self guiding you. Those are your angels, your guiding lights, trying to send help towards you. And then when we don't take them, it's just it may seem like a disrespect towards them. And not everyone is out there to take advantage of you. Some people help because they love you. Some people help because it's in their nature to help others. So just take that help and go and manifest what you want, Gemini, because it's coming to you. I hope this reading helped and I hope it resonated with most of you. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.